The name of the poem is The Squirrel. Listen, repeat and act. ऐका, पुन्हा म्हणा आणि कृती करा. Now let's start. Frisky, frisky, hippity hop. Frisky, frisky, hippity hop. Up he goes to the tree top. Up he goes to the tree top. Whirly twirly, round and round. Whirly twirly, round and round. Down he scampers to the ground. Furly curly, fought a tail. Furly curly, fought a tail. Tall as a feather, broad as a snail. Tall as a feather, broad as a snail. Where is his supper? In the shell. Where is his supper? In the shell. Snappity crackety, out it fell. Snappity crackety, out it fell. Now see the questions. Listen and circle the rhyming words. ऐका आणि रायमिंग वर्ड्सला सर्कल करा. रायमिंग वर्ड्स म्हणजे यमक जुळणारे शब्द. Now see. First one. Up, hop, tree, top. Listen again. Up, hop, tree, top. Which are the two words are rhyming? Hop and top. Yes, these are the two words. Now second one. Broad, round, ground, tall. Broad, round, ground, tall. Which are the two words are rhyming? Round and ground. Yes. Now see the next one. Twirly, round, whirly, top. Yes, here twirly and whirly are the rhyming words. Now see the fourth one. Shell, supper, snappity, crackety. Which are the two words are rhyming? Yes, snappity and crackety. Yes. Now see the next question. Find four words that end with Y from the poem. आपल्याला असे शब्द शोधायचे आहेत की ज्याचा शेवट हा Y अक्षराने झालेला आहे. एक्झाम्पल फ्रिस्की. इथे Y इज द एंड. इथे Y हे अक्षर शेवटी आलेलं आहे. नाव वी विल फाइंड आउट. ओके, रीड द पोएम. से येस. Frisky is over. Then hippity, whirly, twirly, furly, curly, snappity, crackety. These are the words. Now see the next. Listen and repeat. Some words are given here. We have to listen that and repeat. All of you repeat after me. Squirrel,
Squirrel,
ground,
ground,
feather,
feather,
snail,
snail,
shell,
shell,
broad,
broad,
tail,
tail,
curly.
curly.
आपण येथे थांबूया. भेटूया पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये. तोपर्यंत धन्यवाद.